Hello guys, it's Shaun Thomson here and welcome back to another video. It is currently the 30th of December, but by the time you're seeing this, it is the new year. So, Happy New Year. But before we get on to a DAF 45 video, which will be coming out soon, we're going to go ahead and see if we can get the Bedford Rascal started. So in the comments, will I get her started and will I get her driving? There's only one way to find out in there. Now, I bought this 2 years ago in June 2022. I transported it in the back of that truck right there. I brought it back. I spent a whole entire day, I think it was maybe a weekend, trying to get it started. Let's see if we've got power. Oh, ho ho ho, that's power. Something's clicking. And I could not, and I gave up, and then she just sat outside, wrapped in cling film, obviously, not quite cling film, cellophane or whatever you want to call it, to stop the water getting inside, which has worked quite well. As you can see, everything was all pretty much still nice and clean inside. But today we're going to get started. I'm almost sure of it. Alright, a couple of things to help us today. We've got some spark plugs, new filter, new oil, and of course some fresh petrol. Not a fresh battery. I did get one when we did this 2 years ago. I'm not putting another one in it. Anyways, let's find out. Oh, alright, got the keys, power, fresh diesel. Let's see if we can get her started. First up, let's see if we can even get any lights on the dash. At 12 volt. Nothing. Nothing. Right, that's not a great start.
It's probably not a great sign. You can see that wire there. You can see that wire there. It came off of this plug. So we need to rewire that. Right now it's just the start of getting power, I believe.
Right, so fix that wiring. We now have power in the cab. Downside is we've not got one. We'll get that light working. We don't have one of the indicator lights is off. Good start. Right, next we'll get the fresh petrol in. There we go, enjoy that bell. This time we'll start it. That'll do it. Wee 5 squats. More. It's maybe quite a lot, that's probably too much. That's a good 5 seconds. Something's going to blow up now. Oh, yes! Oh, that was easy! Just needed a wee squirt, boys, you did it! Oh yes, I couldn't do that 2 years ago, and all we needed all along was a wee bit of brake cleaner. Right, she's idling a wee bit. Keith came over for brakes, it's missing, but we have got spark plugs anyway, so we might as well change them. We'll also do the oil while we're here. But she's idling away. She is idling. Beautiful. I'm not trying to take the battery back off it either actually. Oh, battery seems okay as well. It's not bad at all. Radio works. That's a bonus. Kept. Wow. Just turn that off and alt tape reader as well. That's getting kept, that's for sure. Alright, we're just draining the oil with it. Took a wee bit longer than expected to get the plug off because there's a wee bracket in the way that you can't see, but I'll show you in a wee second hopefully if I remember. But I will just quickly drain the oil out that. It's looking all nice and black anyways. And I put new stuff in, put new filter on, change the spark plugs and see if she runs just that wee bit sweeter. The oil won't really, you won't hear a difference. The spark plugs definitely, especially if it is misfiring. But good thing is, none of these old plugs aren't magnetic, are they? There's no metal. Right, next thing we're on to is spark plugs. I don't know if you can see that there, but that is not great. It's a wee bit of carbon build up there. That is a lot compared to the new one. Oh yes, beautiful. Oh, and it's got the NGKs. So at least we know we're putting the right ones in. NGKs are the best. Right, new one in. It's a hard old graft, this putting spark plugs in. It's a bastard. I think that one's slightly worse. Right, same again with that one. They're just all going to be the same, aren't they? This one's the handiest one because you can do it from the outside, which is just, if I hold my camera there, the better setup, which is just that one. Where is it? Can't find a hole now, bastard. Where's that bastard hole? Didn't say it was the easiest one. Oh, there. Just right there. I'll get that changed. The nice fresh one. Alright. Almost dropped it. New one going in. It's a hard one to get the angle on. Oh, there we are. That's it, and you just have to believe me. It's not great. Alright. Oil actually looks not too bad, all things considered. Even though it's black. We've got the filter out. Obviously put the new filter in. Just quickly fill it up, top it up, then fill it up. Right, filter all prepped and lubricated. Oh, let's get it on. Oh, again, I need better lights in here. It's not a very good place for recording, but that just goes on there. Oh no, it's alright, it's alright. I thought it was the wrong thread, but it's no, but it's also all covered in oil now. It's going to make it hard to tighten up, not that you can see much. Sort of slidey. Right, we'll clean that off. Then we'll tighten it. Yeah, I've just quickly poured into the jug there and it's come up at 3 quarts. That's the old stuff. So we know to put 3 quarts back in it. We'll just ditch these in the wee dump tubs. Come on. Right, fluid's all changed. Let's see if she starts a wee bit nicer. There's a lot of oil that we spilled, but it should be alright. I'll just quickly get that a wee clean. Just a wee bit excess oil. Right, let's see how it goes. That wasn't great. Well, it's not as raspy. That seems... Aye. Will it move? Oh, it's taking a wee spin. First gear. Handbrake off. There we go, she's off. I still feel like she's sticking a wee bit. Hey! Oh, it's working now, boys! Oh shit! I forgot about the cables at the back. That wouldn't be wise to lose them. That'll do. Beautiful. bagging. It's really windy though. Good time to start recording this, isn't it? It's all windy. Just make sure that's hanging down and all that. Everything's alright. The battery's not connected right, so remember about that because if that comes off. Oh shit. Oh, try and tie these up somehow before I end up losing. Oh, she is mint, man. Absolutely mint. Oh, come on, let's go. There we go, the last edition. Found these in the in the actual cab itself, so we've put them on. The only downside is they only fit the back, not the front. But there we go. She's running, she's driving nicely. She does need a wee bit of tweaking and a wee bit of working, but once this daft's done and out the way, you best believe we're onto the Bedford Rascal. Unless we buy something else, which we probably will. But anyways, thank you all for watching. Don't forget, rate, comment, subscribe. And if you want to see these two getting built side by side, let me know in the comments. What I mean by that is, you know, a daft 1 month, because I try and do like one video a month, because I know it's not a repairing channel, but daft 1 month, Rascal another, vice versa. We could do it that way. I also have a lot on though. I really don't know if I'd be able to do two side by side. But aye, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. And as always, we'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.